everyone, some people wonder what to grill at a plant-based barbecue. Well, in this video I'll show you how I grill 3 veggie sandwiches on a barbecue, but I also use a fire pit. However, if you don't have either one of those, don't worry, you can simply do it on a regular pan and it will be delicious as well. Let's go! I picked these delicious stone-cooked ciabatta style buns that I will toast on the fire with the veggies. For the first sandwich, I cut a red bell pepper in half, I take out the seeds and I put it on the grill. Then let's slice up some zucchini, not too thin, and put them on the barbecue and cook them on both sides. I'm roasting more than necessary here to make one sandwich, so just keep in mind to adjust the quantity based on how many sandwiches you're making. And once the zucchini is ready, I add some minced garlic, olive oil and salt. I give it a good mix. Now the bread is toasted and the pepper is ready. I like to cook the bell pepper for a while until the peel gets a bit burnt. So I added the bread when the pepper is almost cooked. Then I take the peel off a little bit and I slice it like so. I add it in with the zucchini with a bit more olive oil, garlic and salt if necessary. Let's spread some delicious homemade guacamole on the bun, the zucchini, peppers, and lastly, to add some green, a bit of pre-washed spring mix. And voila! This amazing vegan sandwich is ready. The main ingredient of the second grilled sandwich is this big portobello mushroom. I'm wiping the mushroom clean with a wet paper towel. Then with a spoon I scrape away the gills, which can be bitter, and I remove the stem. Here I'm preparing a marinade with a bit of balsamic glaze, olive oil, parsley that was flying away with the wind, and salt. I pour it on the mushroom, and if you have some time, I would suggest letting it soak in for a while. I put the mushroom on the grill first face down, and then after a few minutes I turned it up and I added some cheese. I toasted the bun too, and once the cheese is melted, I am ready to assemble the sandwich. I put some olive oil, oregano and salt on the bun for extra flavor, and then I place the mushroom, some bean sprouts that will add a nice fresh touch, and some mixed greens. For the last veggie grilled sandwich, I cut up some eggplant in slices of about a centimeter thick. I put them on the grill, and meanwhile I prepare some cherry tomatoes with fresh basil, olive oil and salt. And I cut up some lettuce too. In a toasted bun, I spread some hummus that I prepared previously with my recipe that I'll leave in the description below. I added the strips of lettuce, the grilled eggplant, the tomatoes, and some cheese. I let the oil and the spices from the tomatoes drip on the eggplant too to flavor them as well. Oh, and for the cheese, you can use vegan cheese, mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, whatever cheese you prefer. I'm spreading a bit more hummus on this part of the bun as well so that it sticks better, and here we go. The cheese will melt if the bun is still hot. Otherwise, you can always heat up the sandwich on the grill again or directly melt the cheese on the eggplant on the barbecue like I did here. Your choice. These are my top 3 favorite grilled sandwiches. Perfect for a picnic or to grill while camping. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. It would really help me out, and also subscribe for a new video every single Thursday. See you there!